So let's say you have a list of accounts. How do you actually get the contacts, right? So you have no contacts here. What you want to do is basically decide who you want to reach out to. So this is what we refer to as ideal customer profile. So when you select all the companies, you can do find contacts. And from here, you can put in the titles that you want to fetch for, let's say CEO, CFO, let's say VP of sales. And you want to put as many variations as you can think of. So we capture all the leads. If you want to do head of finance, chief operating officer, there's no limit here. So just put all the variations of your ICP, again, ideal customer profile in this box, continue. And now it'll, in the background, go fetch these contacts. And on this tab, you see that we're trying to fetch them. And once it does find all the contacts, this page will automatically refresh. And then you see all the contacts. Once the contacts finish being fetched, the page will refresh and you see a list of contacts. Note that some contacts don't have emails, but you can still reach out to them via LinkedIn. And these are actually LinkedIn links, and you can press into their LinkedIn profile specifically and go contact them through LinkedIn. And yeah, now you have a list of contacts from accounts.